don't know if that intro was good, but today what's today? Today is the 1st of July, so basically it's basically Halloween already. I saw this look on Instagram. It's by Promise. She has a YouTube channel too. I subscribe to her on her YouTube channel. I think it's Dope2111. She didn't post this look on her YouTube channel. She just posted it on her Instagram. So I'm gonna try, emphasis on try, to recreate it. I don't have like any like high-end makeup or anything like that. Like, I'm a broke bitch. But yeah, anyways, I guess we'll get started. I have work in 5 hours. So hopefully this washes off and hopefully it doesn't take me forever to do. Okay, I need to stop. We're just gonna, usually I just do this. I don't know why I put on my finger. I don't know what I was trying to do. My septum gets so annoying when I do makeup, so we're just gonna put it there. Whoops, I think I put too much. I don't know how to do foundation or any of this, so don't come for me. Disgusting. Directly. Oh my god, another cat hair on my face. What the heck? Like, if you could.
Preview.
Relate. Oh my god, it took me so long to remember the word. My brain. My last 2 brain cells. Maybe I should use like one of these colors in here. The mirror fell off. I'm thinking maybe these 2 together and this one. She has like a pretty big forehead compared to me. I mean, mine is pretty big too, but hers looks bigger. Whoa. Whoops. I'm so excited for Halloween. I like never do anything for Halloween anymore. It makes me sad, but I fucking still love Halloween. Like, I have no friends to do anything with on Halloween, so that's why I don't do anything. But you know, if I did have friends, you know, I'd be doing shit on Halloween.
I have the mind of a I have the mind of a mastermind. What's that? I don't know, but you know, I'm so creative, like.
Bitch! It's like crusty stuff in my hair. Like, don't know what that is. Damn, her nose is like snatched. I don't know how to do that. And there's another cat hair on my nose. Oh my god. Don't know what I'm doing. I feel like I have to go straight down. My family would always bully me about my nose. And they used to bully me about my feet too when I was like 12. I've had like the same shoe size since I was like 12 years old. Love that for me. I love to get bullied about my physical features that my family's genes gave me, that I did not even get to choose. Whoa. How does that look? Do I look scary? I cannot breathe. Okay, whatever. We'll just leave it like that. Maybe if the camera angle is different. My fucking camera died while I was recording. Are you okay, buddy? Oh no. Oh no. What is that, honey? Oh no. What did I do? I look scary. Can I be in your death metal band? I could be your MySpace emo girlfriend if you wanted me to. She said it would be easy. Hopefully I don't cry when I put these in. I probably will. Oh, it burns. Oh my god, my makeup.